I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use AI to study better step by step. Start by defining one clear study goal and break it into manageable tasks. Then pick an AI assistant that fits your workflow. Use AI to create targeted prompts, summaries, and practice questions. Schedule focused time blocks and ask the AI for revision plans and quick quizzes. Iterate weekly to refine prompts and track progress with simple metrics. Craft prompts like a conversation, telling the AI subject, difficulty, and format you want, and expect clear output. Start with a simple question, then ask for examples, analogies, or practice problems to deepen understanding. Use the AI to generate flashcards, summaries, and error checks for common misconceptions. Refine prompt wording after each session so the tool learns your style and delivers more useful study content over time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and reach more learners. Quick recommendation: I use a compact smart speaker to play low-volume study playlists and timers. It helps me stay focused and relaxed. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to try it. Thanks for your support. Now let's get back to the video. Active recall with AI boosts retention when used consistently and intentionally during study sessions. Have the AI generate spaced quizzes and flashcards, then attempt answers without notes to test memory. After each attempt, ask the AI to explain mistakes and provide concise corrective summaries. Vary question formats so you practice retrieval across contexts and track which concepts need more review to improve long-term retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.